What's up, YouTube? It's Dre Black Digital. Today, we're going to talk about 7 easy steps on how to promote Clickbank products. And also, we're going to talk about how much money you can make with Clickbank, and is Clickbank legit and safe? And obviously, if I'm showing you guys this video, it is legit and safe. But we're going to go over how much money you can make and 7 easy steps to promote Clickbank products so you can make money yourself. So, today we're going to go over these 7 steps and their different phases, and I'm going to walk you completely through this tutorial and show you how you can get started today making money on Clickbank. So our first step is getting signed up with Clickbank at clickbank.com/affiliate-network. So you're going to go ahead and go to that website and sign up, but I'm going to go ahead and type in Clickbank and log into my Clickbank account so you guys can see. But this is the website you're going to come to when you sign up for Clickbank, and it's simple and easy. Just click sign up and it's free. But I'm going to go ahead and log into my Clickbank account because I already have Clickbank. So we're going to go ahead and log in. And as you can see, I'm already making money on Clickbank. So this video is legit. This video is not a gimmick, and Clickbank is actually real, and you can make some money with Clickbank. But that was the first step. You're going to go ahead and go to clickbank.com, sign up for your free account, and get started. Step 2 is going to be finding a killer product that is proven to sell and that can virtually guarantee you some sales. And it's very important that you guys pick a product that you're interested in and something that you have knowledge about. For example, myself, I'm in the digital marketing space, affiliate marketing space, and make money online. So those are the type of products that I'm going to promote. You guys might be in health, so you might promote keto products and weight loss products. Whatever your interest is in, that's the kind of product you're going to promote. And these are going to be the 4 steps that I want you guys to take into consideration when choosing your product. And your gravity score is going to be more than 30. And you want to make sure that the product is paying enough commissions that'll motivate you to continue to promote it and to actually try and promote it with your full potential. Also, what you also want to do is that first product is going to be your main core product that you want to promote. And then under that, you want to pick multiple products that you can promote that's in that same umbrella niche as whatever interest that you picked. So for example, I'm in wealth. So make money online. From make money online, I can find one main product to promote. And then from there, let's say if they want to learn about crypto, or if they want to learn about how to start an online business, then those will be other products I can promote that'll be in the same interest of the people that I'm trying to show it to. So the last thing is you want to make sure you pick a product that is going to bring value to your consumer, to the person that you're going to be showing the product off to the people that are researching that type of product. You want to make sure that it's very valuable and can solve their problems, because that just makes life 10 times easier and makes the sale 10 times easier to get when there's a lot of value that the product can bring the customer. So we're going to go over to Clickbank, and we're going to look at the marketplace so we can give you an example of how the type of niches you can pick. And as you can see, you have education, you have cooking, you have employment, games, green products, home and garden, health and fitness. There's a bunch of products that you can promote on Clickbank, and whatever one you're interested in, that's the one you're going to do. But I'm going to do e-business and e-marketing because that is my niche that I'm in. And once you get here, you want to go ahead and sort results by gravity. And when you sort the results by gravity, it's going to show you the gravity score that has the most amount of sales on it. So for example, this is a product that I'm promoting. The gravity is 166. This gravity is 156, 133, and so on. My rule of thumb is to make sure that you pick a product that has a gravity score greater than 30, but less than 120. That's what you want to do, because if it's higher than 120, 9 times out of 10, that product is very saturated, which means there's going to be a lot of competition for you to promote that product. And it's just going to make it harder for you to actually get those sales, because people are promoting it everywhere, which means everybody's seeing it. So you want to pick a product that doesn't have too much of a high gravity score. I would say 75 is the sweet spot. Okay, now going on to step 3, we're going to grab our affiliate link and we're going to shorten our affiliate link using Bitly, which is a link shortener. And the whole purpose of this is making sure that our link is not long and nasty and basically not believable for somebody to click on. But I'm going to show you guys example of getting your link. So let's say if you're going to pick this product right here, turn text into speech, want to click promote. Once you click promote, you want to generate hop link. And then this is going to be your link right here. And then you just want to click this to copy your link. And this is the reason why we don't promote this link, only because it is a nasty link and that won't get approved on a lot of ad networks. But we grabbed our link. The next thing we want to do is head over to Bitly to shorten our link. Oh, Bitly. So once Bitly loads up, we can go from there. Once you get to bitly.com and you log in and sign up for your free account, you can easily just click create. And once you click create, all you have to do is copy and paste your link in there to shorten your link. And you're going to click create. And what it's going to do is going to shorten this link for you so it's easier to promote and it's more nice on the eye. So as soon as this loads up, there we go. So it is done shortening, and this is going to be my new link. And what we're going to do is use that in our product review video, which is step 4. Create a review video for that product. And you can use different recording software such as OBS Studios. You can use Screencastify, which is a Google Chrome extension. And you also can use Loom, which is another Chrome extension. And I know Loom is free, so if you don't have a lot of money to start off, you want to go ahead and join Loom to record these videos. Right here is going to be a free copy of a template that I want to send to you guys. And you can send this to companies that have a product that you want to promote, but you just want to get your hands on it because it's not on affiliate networks such as Clickbank. And basically, this is what you can send in an email to get them to send you a free copy of the product that you want to promote. If you guys want this free copy, I'm going to leave a link in the description. All you have to do is click below to get this copy, and you'll have access to this whole document. Okay, so these are going to be some keywords that you guys want to look out for and use for certain products. This is just an example. This is not the exact keywords you're going to use for every product. But let's say we're promoting a dating offer. This is going to be an example of keywords that we will want to use and to go over it for, like, let's say just to let them know that it's a review video. So step 6 is going to be how you're going to scale this out and make this start generating you some income. So what you want to do is take all the steps above and create 2 to 3 pieces of content per week that you want to post on YouTube, and or if it's a blog that you want to post a blog for. So step 7 is going to be you want to master your YouTube and blog SEO. And I'm going to leave a video link right here that you guys can watch so you can learn how to do SEO for your videos or blogs. It's going to be in this document. And if you want this document, I'm going to leave a link in the description for you to get access to this for free. But step 6 and step 7 ties into each other. So when you're creating these 2 to 3 products per week, you want to make sure that you're using proper SEO on these videos and your descriptions and your titles and meta tags and stuff like that, because that is what's going to help your blog or video rank on Google or YouTube to make sure that you're getting that traffic to it, because the SEO is really going to be keywords and stuff that helps your video or blog be found on the internet. And that's what we want this to be done. We want it to be found so we can get that traffic to our affiliate offers to make money. But that's going to be all for this video. This is a 7-step on how to promote Clickbank products. And I showed you guys how much money you can make on Clickbank, and also like and subscribe to this video. Thank you, and